In this next problem, we're going to determine whether mean value theorem can be applied. In order to do that, I need to meet its two requirements, that it needs to be continuous on the closed interval and differentiable on the open interval. This one is simply so because it's a polynomial, so we're going to state that. So when we're trying to show that it's that it can be applied, we'll go ahead and use this statement. F is continuous on the closed interval 0 to 2 and differentiable on the open interval 0 to 2 because it's a polynomial. Therefore, we can abbreviate this, MVT by mean value theorem, there exists a value or values x, and I'll just put an x value, I'll just put blank because we don't know where it's at, where f prime of x equals the slope of the secant, which would be f of 2 minus f of 0 all over 2 minus 0. In order to figure out where that occurs, we're going to have to find the derivative. So off to the side here, I'll find the derivative. And the derivative would be 4x cubed minus 8. Now what we want to do is we want to use that idea and set up an equation in this form up above. So the derivative 4x cubed minus 8 equals f of b, which is f of 2 minus f of 0 all over 2 minus 0. I'm getting those values here. This is my a and this is my b. So what is the value of f of 2? F of 2, when I plug 2 in there, I get 16 minus 16, which is 0. Minus plug in 0 up here, I get 0 all over 2 minus 0. So really I'm just looking at where is 4x cubed minus 8. I'm going to go ahead and factor out that 4 right now. So where is 4 times the quantity x cubed minus 2 equal to 0? And that would mean when x cubed is equal to 2, it would be equal to 0. So the x value is the cube root of 2. That does fall within the interval, so I know that I can go ahead and fill in my blank there. There's an x value at cube root of 2. This next problem, determine whether mean value theorem can be applied. I can see that I'm talking about this interval right here, and f is not differentiable. I should say this first of all, it's not continuous at x equals 0. So mean value theorem does not apply. Does not apply because f is not continuous at x equals 0.